In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a dashboard UI in Figma. We'll start by opening Figma and heading to the Community tab. In the search bar, type Dashboard, UI Kit, or Admin Panel. Browse a few options and pick a template that matches your use case, whether that's analytics, sales, or team management. When you've found a solid starting point, click Open in Figma to create a local copy you can edit freely. Set the stage with a clean background color on your main frame. A soft neutral often lets your data stand out. Next, add a layout grid to your frame for consistent alignment. A column grid with sensible margins and gutters will help you position cards, charts, and navigation so everything feels balanced and intentional. Adjust the color scheme to match your brand or personal preference. Use color styles or variables so you can update hues globally and maintain consistency. While you are at it, swap the fonts to fit the personality you want: bold and modern for a techie feel, or understated and readable for a more professional tone. Keep clear hierarchy between headings, labels, and body text. Now shape the layout. Rearrange elements like charts, cards, and navigation to support the most important insights first. Replace placeholder data and icons with your own, and consider adding small custom elements, like a weather widget or a notification bell, to enrich the experience without cluttering it. Editing is simple: double-click elements to tweak text, spacing, and layout. Iterate as you go, tightening paddings and aligning content to your grid. If the template includes placeholders, replace them with components from the community kit you chose, so styles and behaviors remain consistent. For realistic visuals, use plugins like Charts or Table Generator. They'll help you mock up line graphs, bar charts, and tables with believable data, making the design feel practical and testable. For the top bar, apply auto layout to items like search, filters, and user profiles so they resize and space themselves neatly. Add subtle drop shadows to cards to create depth, keeping them light so they don't overpower content. Finally, apply consistent typography and color variables across the file. This ensures every card, button, and chart uses the same definitions, making future edits fast and reliable. That's it. Fall to it. Thanks for watching.